Hi everyone, welcome into Cypress tutorial. Today in this tutorial we will explore find command in Cypress, a powerful method used to look at elements within a specific parent element. If you have faced challenges selecting nested elements in Cypress, then find is the perfect solution. It allows us to refine our selections and interact with elements more effectively. So let's begin. Create a new file here. Right click E to E, new file, and then enter the file name here. Find underscore command dot sci dot jets. This is our new test file. Copy this test case. Now, first we need to navigate to the URL. So here we enter sci.visit and then URL. Open Chrome browser and here you can view this is top panel. Inside this top panel, we have header panel here. Top panel and here this is header panel. Inside this header panel, left menu and this is the left menu. In the left menu we have list. This is the list solutions about us services. Suppose we want to click on this, first we need to verify whether this left panel is present here. So we can look at the element by here you can view header panel. This is header panel. So we can look at by ID. Sci dot get and here ID available. ID is header panel. Make sure this is unique. Yes, this is unique. So we can look at by ID. Header panel and then use find command. Inside this find command, we need to enter here inside this header panel left main and we can look at by class left menu. This is unique, so we can use this locator dot find left menu and then contains the list. This left menu contain list. As you can view, this is the list. We can copy this solutions contain list and this list contains solutions. Enter here solutions. We can click here. So use click here. Save this test file and run the test. npx Cypress open. Cypress is opening. Then we need to set the browser. We can run the test in Chrome, Firefox. Select this configured E2E testing. Click on start end-to-end testing. Now we need to select our test file. Find underscore command. This is test file. Click here. Your tests are loading. Test is running. First, it will navigate to this URL and then click on the solutions. Here we are getting some error dot find. So let's check here. First, we need to get sci dot at header panel dot find as we can use this class. So we need to enter here dot left main. Run this test again. Just save the file and Cypress will automatically run the test. Let's again run this test. Yes. Now test is successfully executed. First navigate to the URL and then get the header panel. Inside this header panel, we have left menu and the left menu contains this list. Inside this list, solution is text appear. So here click on the solutions. Same as well, we can click on about us. So open Chrome browser, right click here, inspect, and here we just need to change here this text name. Copy this. We do not need to enter the complete command here. We just change here about us. Copy this one and enter about us. Let's run this test again. Save the test. Test is running. First navigate to the URL and then click on about us. After clicking on about us, it will click on. Yes, it click on about us after clicking on this solutions link. Now we can click on this services, open VS Code, copy this one and enter here services. Services. First, it will navigate to the URL site.get. Here we locate the header panel by ID and then find the left menu. Inside this left menu, get the list. After getting the list, this list contains the services text. Save this test. Let's navigate to the URL, click on solutions, and then click on about us. After clicking on about us, it will click on services. Yes, it click on services. That is for today tutorial on find command in Cypress. We covered its syntax, how it helps in locating elements inside a parent, and practical example to make your test step more effective. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SK World for more automation testing tutorials.